1976 Firebird Formula. It does have the Trans Am shaker hood on it, but it is a Formula. Currently has a 400 transmission, 400 engine. Originally was a 350 car. '76 was the last year for the honeycomb wheels, and it was the first year for the T-tops. This one has the Hurst T-tops, Hurst hatch. 1976 was the first year for those. 76 was also the last year for the fiberglass Formula hood. They were steel. Again, this isn't the Formula hood, this is a Trans Am hood. Formula hood would have had two small scoops on it, similar to most Formulas prior to this year, but it was a steel hood, not fiberglass. First year for that. Get a shot of the decals on the back. This car is sterling silver, original color, sterling silver, with a Firethorn red interior, original interior as well. It is an AC car. The AC is not currently hooked up, but it is originally an air-conditioned car. Has 8-track tape player, full instruments. Car has 134,000 miles on it. Here's a shot of those Hurst tops from the inside. And I don't know if you can see it, but there is a Hurst hatch logo right there. A couple of levers to remove. And like most early T-top cars, they do leak. Here you can see a little bit of the fall colors we got going on here. Pretty much the last day for a ride, I think. Might get into the 50s next week, but they're saying snow tonight, tomorrow. And if they salt the roads, then it's over. It's November 13th today. Upper Midwest. Could snow tomorrow. Anywhere from a half an inch to 2 inches.